Mickey Mouse woke up at the end of the day. He saw the street with such a strong laugh. What did he see? Smart cloud. Basket yawning clouds sighs good night, good night, and the moon. Another cloud is stretched so it's soft and round. I drive carefully without sound. Mickey laughed and praised him. The clouds sleep, it's time to leave. Close your eyes and it's very shiny. They swim slowly all night. The first cloud whispered sweet dreams full of music and dance legs. The second sang the melody of babysitter bye. Swims under the silver moon. Mickey clapped his hand and turned around. Time for the yawning and screaming clouds. Place your head on a blue pillow. The stars will turn around just for you. Cloud's vision began to get hesitant. Gently swing and drift. Mickey carefully hid them. Sing gently in the air. Dream, sleep. Clouds are very white. A dream of a slow, bright rainbow. Sleep, sleep. Don't have a pipette. Close your eyes and go to sleep. Soon the clouds slept quickly. Circle snoring quietly and deeply. Mickey smile and low whispers good night, clouds. It's time to leave. And when the stars begin to shine, Mickey has entered a dream sun. The moon is high in the clouds. The night is surrounded by sleep.